I came home around 5:45, hoping that my woman had some eating fixed. Went through the door and I called her name, but after a call nobody came. I took a chair and I started to wait, wondering why she come home that late. Soon I got bored and started cussing the Lord. It was down when I saw a note on the door. It said, I got a call from the wild, yeah, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna live with the coyotes. The call of the wild, too strong to resist. Now if you wanna eat, just have a look in the fridge. Yeah, I ran outside with the devil on my heels to a donut and a cup on the motor wheel. He said, make it fast, son, for I don't have much time. I'm gonna leave this city. I hear the call of the wild. Yeah, the call of the wild. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna live with them coyotes. The call of the wild, too strong to ignore. Now goodbye everybody, ain't gonna come in no more. Passes the day she left. God knows why I never seen her again. I don't know where she's headed, and just one thing I know, she's not going to heaven, but where old coyotes go. On to somebody's towels and razors, I will spruce up a bit. The man inside the mirror's gazing at the wall outside of it. Conversations with transparency beside me in the seat. You seem a little empty. Won't you have a smoke with me? Well, I got a trick for wasting time. If you wake up late, the days fly by. Boulevards clashing, acute jaws passing, smiling when I frown. They built the sidewalks and I went walking down. And life seems to be swaying while the panic-kids playing slow songs. Think I'll call up Randy. Well, he's my best friend. We'll sit and watch the ferry conjure beers from a hand. 'Cause there's a time for drinking and a time for cigarettes. If we ever start thinking, we'll find the time for that. crashing, the cute dolls passing, smiling when I frown. Well, they built the sidewalks and I went walking down. And life seems to be swaying while the panic-kids playing slow songs. Slow songs. Slow songs. Monkey jacket for morning gown. You sat down on the floor, hungover or strung out. You wouldn't even know. Wasn't enough to make it end. You just had as much as you can stand. So lay your body down. In the coolness of the morning, when the world is spinning round your head, go and let it knock you over. You burned the candle at both ends. It was shining bright and blue and casting shadows the things you said. You'd never do, and there ain't no way she will understand. Being this gone takes a whole lot of man. So just lay your body down. In the coolness of the morning, when the world is spinning round your head, go and let it knock you over. Knock you Dank u wel. I've tried it once. It wasn't for me. When it comes, but I won't be there to see. Another one down, another waste of time, another good man getting care on the assembly line. It It's everywhere that you go, and it seems it's always there. Love is a daily show that never goes off the air. And when it leaves you broken-hearted, there's sweet songs pre-recorded to dry your eyes from their assembly lines. Waiting easy, falling where you ain't been now. Hear it sweetly calling, getting louder, moving to the ground. Somebody wiser than I once said, there's not a thing you can do once she starts to mess with your head. Well, I just couldn't handle the truth. Oh, she was good, she was mine.